Welcome to today's virtual lesson for May 7th and 8th. Today it's going to be about the theme of Pink and Say. Since you last saw me, it was my birthday on Monday. And I finished reading The One and Only Ivan. I know a lot of you have already read it, but I never actually read it. And it was so good. It was sad, but it does have a happy ending. And they talk about this cute little baby elephant in it. So you can see the cute little baby elephant. And I told my friend that for my birthday, I wanted a baby elephant because baby elephants are so cute. And guess what? I got a baby elephant. Look at those. So cute. Okay, so a baby elephant will join us today. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to name her Ruby, just like in the book. So if you haven't read this book, The One and Only Ivan, I highly recommend it. All right. Today, we are going to play a Would You Rather. We're going to look at the objectives. We'll watch another Civil War video. We're going to do a lesson on theme. And then it'll be your turn. All right. So, Would You Rather. Today's Would You Rather is brought to you by National Tourism Day, which is May 7th. The first Would You Rather. Would you rather go skiing or snowboarding, like a snow mountain themed vacation, or go surfing, boogie boarding, because that would be me, boogie boarding, in the oceans? Would you rather have a snow vacation or a beach vacation? I would rather have a beach vacation because I like the sun from Miami. Not a huge fan of the snow. It's definitely going boogie boarding. Okay. Would you rather go hiking or explore museums? When you travel, do you like to go hiking? Would you rather go hiking or explore a museum? I would prefer to go hiking and then explore the museum. A little bit of both. Would do the hiking first, then the museum. But if I had to choose, think I would go with the hiking. Maybe because I've just been inside for so long.